I just boil that. It takes a long, long time to cook.
Kathleen Moise fled unspeakable violence in her homeland of Haiti 6 years ago, hoping to find peace and a slice of the American dream.
I stay here. I do two jobs to make my business. That's why I don't go back Haiti.
How many people do you think that you know have left Springfield?
I know almost 10 people.
And who are those people?
Friends, my neighbors.
She saved money for years and recently opened a restaurant. One of the thousands of Haitian immigrants building a life in Springfield, Ohio,
Bongo, can I have you?
who now find themselves in the crosshairs of the incoming administration.
We're going to have the largest deportation in the history of our country, and we're going to start with Springfield.
Moise, like most, are here legally through temporary protected status, which President-elect Trump has vowed to end.
I can't talk.
I know, it's difficult.
I'm scared because on my business, Haiti is born. I lost my mom. Someone come in the business. They shoot my mom, the gun, burn my business, get deportation, go back Haiti. For me especially, I gonna be die. I gonna be dead.
Many Haitians are leaving town, even Moise's own daughter.
When your daughter told you she wanted to leave, did you think about also leaving?
Yes, I keep thinking about that. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I keep thinking about that.
We're hoping everything works out the way it needs to work out, you know?
Okay.
God somehow works everything out, you know?
If you
And
got
so-
God, you have everything.
That's right.
Faith fueling Moise's motivation to keep cooking, to stay in Springfield. While her business and her future hang in the balance. Nicole Valdez, CBS News, Springfield, Ohio.